Run after round. Krobia is on the move. To say 3-0 against Accra Folk. Kotoko assigned 3 players across Folk as at now Munyan sign be. Now information I be told you and say China Kotoko ne Dabo Soccer Academy and Ebo Ewo Adakoja. It is going to be an exhibition game, yes. Now Kotoko so far players are on my sign by China Thursday be an IF4-5. Now omone Dabo Soccer Academy for no e de ataso ewo the Splash Adakojachi Training Center. New players so far, X-Smart, the left back, and Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman, a striker, and Emmanuel Entry, a midfielder. So far, 3 players are Kumasi Asante Kotoko assign. It's not friendly. You be home when this particular exhibition game. Exhibition game. Into a bit by changes do bia. Yepe o Kumasi wa Asante Regina. It's not game no baso. The Splash Training Center Adakojache. Hona game no baso. Quickly also be update no. Emma Ewufia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is expected today. Say Ombe announce player Razak Kasim from Great Olympics to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Another player also coming from Congo, which is Gilberto Samba. With the details never bro. Match friendly game no time no me so say 9 o'clock a.m. Let's say anopa inti by 12 the any aboy wi inti anopa for no obetima to afa ho no wakohwe bi Dabo Soccer Academy any Kumasi Asante Kotoko and they epem so the Splash Adakojachi Training Center yenti na yenhye so. Meanwhile this match is also a preparation for Accra Folk gamer so exactly and then now because game no 17th of this month. Now I think say and 10th into 7 days exactly Kotoko and the Accra Folk ebebo ewo enkran. Yes, side game no me tete time no bit mako share bear and numerous 6 sana me tete na we dey na me buta na me guys be edin komo wa chiro na mka say May 9 incident ni see report the white paper ne ka say any kwanse Kotoko ne has match ye bono enwumere biom, but quite unfortunate as you say hu enwumere game ye the paper say na to be ara we senior citizens me busa mo senior citizens senior most Frank Bensa Pozo me sure say wa follow Kotoko na che meaning say we are aware of this. Yes, Kotoko ne has ye morning 6 p.m. biom, but side game no I think say that's so kick off time near 6 p.m. Yeah, monanajo. Yeah. Just the matter of just by the way anyway and no asema ewo enchen in the course of the week updates be about the bebro.